If you don't maintain your boat lift motor, you run the risk of it potentially failing, snapped cables, and suddenly you're dealing with an even bigger issue on your hands. Please don't learn the hard way. Here are some of my best tips on how to keep your boat lift in good condition and maintain your boat lift motor. Before we get into it though, if you still have any questions after this video, I want you to head over to liftmarine.com or call me using the phone number on the screen. I'd be happy to help you out. Keeping your boat lift in good condition, inspecting boat lift cables and when to replace them, checking to ensure rollers are in good shape and not deformed, ensuring your carriage is still running level and straight up and down, ensuring that fasteners haven't come loose, and checking legs, pins, and cotter pins. Just like you would when you buy a car, a home, or an expensive piece of equipment, when you invest in a boat lift motor, it's important to maintain it to optimize its functions and operations safely. If you need any more information or have any questions, contact me personally and I'd be happy to help out. All my info is linked down below.